In this video, I'm going to show you how to download CapCut on your laptop. First, open up the browser of your choice, and in the search bar, type in CapCut. Click enter, and click on the official CapCut website. Here you can go to Products, and under Platform, click on Video Editing for Desktop. Then click on Download for free. Once the installer is done downloading, simply click on it, click on Yes, and click on this location icon here, and you can select here where you want CapCut to be downloaded. Simply press here, and you can choose, for example, I'll go and download it under Downloads. After that, just wait for the installer to finish downloading. If this window pops up while installing, click on Confirm. Agree to the terms of service, and you have successfully installed CapCut. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.